Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. If you haven't had a chance to see it yet, I wanted to make sure you got a look at the December 2021 Kiwi Club Kit. Guys, if you are still on the fence for these clubs, I really want you to take a look at what you get for the value. Because man, it's a pretty cool kit. So this one is called Joy to the World. And you can always see right across the cover sheet what papers are going to be included and then what templates are going to be included, and I'll give you a closer look at those in just a moment. Okay, packaging is always great. Comes in a cardboard box with little corner protectors so you don't ever get your paper all bent up. And if for some reason you do, if you've got one of the post people who likes to bend the box, Kiwi always takes care of it. So it's always nice to know that that is going to be taken care of for you. So let's start by taking a quick look at the paper patterns that are in this month's kit. So this one's got all kinds of fun little lanterns with candles inside. Really pretty winter colors. Just a blue design on the back. Ooh, fun plaid. I like it. Greens and blues and reds, a little cream, and just kind of a cream back to that. This one looks like a garland. To me, this is upside down. It just looks like a greenery garland with little berries on it, little holly berries. Pretty. And then the back side is a green with a little design. This one is all ornaments. And we do have some templates that are very similar. Definitely the round ornament. Definitely this one here, like this shape. So that's fun. We could make ornaments to kind of match. And then the back side is a little darker green pattern paper. This says Merry Christmas in lots of different languages. It's a really rich red. Has a really beautiful design on the back. Ooh, I hadn't seen this one yet. This has got cardinals and poinsettias. That's fun. Very festive. And again, just a nice design on the back. And I think we're probably to the background pages. So we've got kind of a lighter green, 2 of these. Back side is kind of a cream color. You've got a really beautiful deep red, 2 of these. Back side is a nice blue. And then you've got a little deeper blue, more of a navy. And the back side is more of a turquoise. So we got 2 of those. So many good options for paper. Love that, and I cannot wait to get busy creating with this. So let's see what our cards look like this time, because these are always a fun little treat. So we'll start with the bigger ones first. These ones are 4x6. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And I always show you guys, you know, the backs are always just kind of a lovely coordinating pattern and color. In just a few hours, the clock will chime midnight, a time of magic and of dreams. Aw, sweet. And then Joy to the World. Okay. For the 4x4s, we've got this merry, joyful, and then believe. Nuts about Christmas, family time, you. So some different choices for how you want to use that. And then 'tis the season to be cozy. And for the 3x4s, we've got a December to remember, a little journaling card. Believe in the magic of the season. Shalom. It says the Hebrew word for peace, harmony, prosperity, completeness, tranquility, and welfare. It can be used as both hello and goodbye. Silent Night. Love that with all those fun little ornaments that we saw on that other paper. And then Come Let Us Adore Him. All right, so those are all really lovely. And then we'll take a look at the templates. Grab my board real quick so I can help you kind of visualize the sizes. The nice thing about these kits these days is that you can go in and get them in the shop as long as they're available, whether you're a member or not. They are selling overstock. They're a little more expensive than they are for club members, which makes sense. You want to make sure that, you know, we're taking good care of our club members. And of course, club members also get a discount in the shop on other things. So just something to keep in mind. If you fall in love with a kit, you may be able to get it. You're just going to pay a little bit more. So, all right. So this month's set of templates are called Peace. So you've got this really fun border. This reminds me of a smaller one that we've got. I'd have to look that up to see what it's out of, but really sweet design. We've got the lantern. This is piece 4. So this one is about 3.5 inches wide at the widest spot and about 4 3/4 inches tall. You got this poinsettia. This is fun. I love that it's got the little circles, just more as a reminder, like, oh yeah, I could do some little hole punch pieces there. I could do that with some stickles, whatever, but it just kind of reminds you to not forget that piece. So this one is about 3.5 inches wide and just under 4 inches tall, about 3 3/4 inches tall. We've got a candle. So this would fit really nicely in this lantern. The candle is piece 1. It is about 1 1/4 inches wide at its widest spot and about 2 3/4 inches tall. And then piece 2 is the cardinal. So the cardinal is about 2 1/4 inches tall by about 2.5 inches wide. So super sweet templates this month. I really think these are going to be a fun addition to my holiday collection of templates, and I could see them getting used for other things, particularly like this lantern, like for some summer layouts when you're, you know, outside barbecuing and that kind of stuff. So I'm loving that. And of course the bird you could alter to just be a cute little birdie. Without the top, he doesn't look so much like a cardinal. So lots of fun ideas here. All right, so I went and grabbed one of these tiny borders real quick because I wanted to see which one it was really reminding me of. And I do think it was this one from the Delight set. The shape is similar, that curve at the beginning. So I think that's what was coming to my mind when I was trying to find that connection. I am really excited to see what everybody does with this kit. I always love to see your ideas, and I would love for you to share. You know, if you put stuff on Facebook, tag me in it so I can see what you've been making. Make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the kit, and always pop back on and see what else is going on my channel. So I appreciate the support, you guys, and I hope that you are all being creative and finding some time for you in this really busy time of year. You know, don't forget to take some time for yourself. So I hope I get to talk to you soon and see you back on my channel. Bye-bye.